Hi guys, this is the Affiliate Hustler back again with a new video, and as you can see I'm very excited because I'm going to show you a method in this video on how to do combine Pinterest ads with affiliate marketing. Now I know I have shown how to use Pinterest ads in the past on this channel combined with affiliate marketing, but I'm going to show you a quick technique, or not a quick technique, sorry, a cool technique you can use with that method to get more conversions. And it's a trick that everyone is using on Facebook ads, but actually no one is implementing that same technique on Pinterest ads. It's before their eyes, and no one is using, and I am telling you, even the more experienced affiliates are not using this traffic source, and I know they're using the method that I'm telling you but with Facebook, but they're not using it with this traffic source. Yes, so that's why I'm very excited, because this is a video that brings very high value. Yes, so this is, take notes, just pay attention, just get everything out of your distraction, or everything that gets you distraction, get out of social media, and just pay attention to this video, because this is a cool technique that if you have the money to invest in ads, then I can guarantee you that you can make money even tomorrow, or even when the Pinterest ads approves your ad. Yes, so right away when they approve your ad, you can start making money. Yes, obviously there it can be that you are not profitable, but then you'll have to readjust, take track, or just watch on Pinterest ads what is not working, if the targeting is not right, if the keywords are not right, readjust, and then launch the campaign again, and then you should be able to be profitable with this method, because it's barely impossible that you can't succeed with this method. Obviously, earnings are not guaranteed with any online method. Yes, but this online method is very well known for its success rate, and this is why many people are using this method on Facebook ads. Yes, so if you do not know what method I'm talking about, then obviously stay until the end of the video. I'm going to reveal it. And also, if you want more content like this, if you want more value like this, please hit the subscribe button, and also hit the bell notification icon so that you get notified when I release a new video. Yes, so guys, hope you are excited as I am, and let's get into the video. Okay, so let's get into the video. So actually, if you already saw that video, I will leave that on the upright corner. You know how this method works. Basically, we make a pin on Canva, we upload it to our profile on Pinterest, and then we make out of that pin an ad. Yes. Now, in the other method, I showed you that what you should do is you should go to ClickBank, grab your affiliate link, and then just paste it on the pin on Pinterest. Yes, because when you make a pin on Pinterest, you obligatory or mandatory have to put a link for that pin to redirect to a page. Yes, so that's how Pinterest works. You have a pin, you have an image, and that pin, when someone clicks on that pin, they get redirected to an outside page out of Pinterest. Yes, that's how Pinterest works, because it's a visual search engine. Yes. Now, what you should do is do the same now, but instead of just doing direct linking, we are going to use a cool technique with a bridge page. Yes. Now, in case you don't know what a bridge page is, let me draw it for you. So a bridge page, this is the ad on Pinterest. This is the pin that people will see on Pinterest. This is the pin. Yes, and this pin, when someone clicks on this pin, they will get redirected to a middle page that we are going to do. Don't worry, we're going to make it with GetResponse, which is a free, it has a 30-day free trial where you can try their software. I will leave that on the description so that you can check it out. But Here you can make landing pages, and this is where we are going to make our pre-sale page. Now, don't worry. ClickBank has or many ClickBank products have the research page where they give you a quiz page. Now we are going to get into the quiz page, but let me finish. Yes, so people will be redirected to the bridge page, where they will be redirected, where they will be asked some questions, and that is why we call it quiz page, because people will because the bridge page will ask them questions, and then people will start answering them based on what the bridge page automatically asks them. So the bridge page will collect answers, and then once they have like a, I don't know, like an assessment or a test or based on the questions they answered, then they will be redirected to the offer. Now, it does not matter how they answer the question or what questions they answer, they will always get redirected to the offer page on ClickBank. Yes, so in the previous video, what I was doing or what I was teaching you is that you should do this instead of just doing this. Yes, because we didn't make a bridge page. Yes, so there's a cool product out of ClickBank on ClickBank that I want to show you, where they have on the resource page a quiz page that you can use right away, but with ClickFunnels, not with GetResponse. Yes, actually there's a site, but don't worry, if you don't want to use ClickBank, you can use GetResponse, and there is a way in this video that I want to show you to make a quiz page with the landing pages on GetResponse. Yes, so let me look for that page. So here I'm on the resource page of the product that I want to show you, which is the Cinderella solution. Now, as you can see, they have a Facebook ad kit. Now, this is why I am telling you that no one is using this method, but on Pinterest ads. They're using it on Facebook ads. So if you're doing this on Facebook ads, you will get a lot more competition. Yes, and as you can see, here is the quiz page that they give you. Now, because I do not have ClickFunnels, or I do not use ClickFunnels, I can't see the quiz page. Now, if you have a ClickFunnels, what you should do is you go to here, click to import, and then import this the quiz page, and then at the end of the quiz, just put your affiliate link that obviously you should have by just hitting promote on the offer you want to promote. In this case, a Cinderella solution. Now, you should do this with Pinterest ads, because as you can see, they are recommending you just right away to use it on Facebook, but actually they're not recommending you to use it on Pinterest, where most of this traffic will convert, because a lot of the Pinterest traffic are females and which are interested in losing weight and being on shape. So that's why Pinterest for this kind of health products is great. Yes, so this is a cool technique. Now, if you don't have ClickFunnels, yes, this is I'm very excited for with this, because I literally saw no one on YouTube teaching this, so stay tuned. You can go to GetResponse, but by the way, the link will be in the description, and you can go to landing pages, and you can create a landing page. Just create a random landing page. Just choose a random theme. I don't know, I'm going to choose one that suits the niche of health and fitness. Just go to next step, and then just ignore it. Yes, and then just go to this website, which is called Interact.com. Yes, so Interact.com, what it is, it's a website where they allow you to create quizzes, and then what you can do is you can grab the HTML code of that quiz and then import it to your landing page or GetResponse. Yes, so that's very cool, because you don't have to know any coding, and it's very easy to import. I'm going to show you now right away, and you do not have to spend that big amount of money, for example, on ClickFunnels, which is $97 a month. I think that amount of money on a landing page builder is absurd. Where GetResponse, you can get it for $15 a month. You can build limited landing pages, and you can also do quiz pages. Yes. So what you could do is then go to Interact. You click on Create New Quiz. Here I just have a quiz already made, and I'm going to show you how the quiz looks. So here is how the quiz looks. So if I take the quiz, feeling overwhelmed, blah blah blah, and then blah blah blah, and when they finish the quiz, then you can input a button and you can edit it. So for example, if I edit, let me edit the branding and styling, for example, and then at the end you could add a button where it redirects to the affiliate link. Yes. So for example, let's go to the last slide. I don't know where it is. Content here. So here is how let's go to the, for example, here. Oh, so here you have you have the results. So the results is the landing page. They will be landed based on the questions they answer. So here they will have the call to action, and here you should put the URL. Here you should put the affiliate link you have from ClickBank. Click promote, grab the affiliate link, generate hop link, and just put your affiliate link. Yes. So we go back to interact.com, just click the affiliate link, click save, and then just save and exit. Yes. And then what you should do is just click on share and embed here. There obviously put publish changes, and just put it as embed in your, click here on embed in your website or landing page. Just put here, just copy code to clipboard, then go back to GetResponse, and for example, just click here on HTML. Sorry. You should look for the HTML box here here. Just put an HTML box here. Sorry. Just put the HTML code here. Obviously, remove all of this. If you don't want to use it, just remove all of this and just put the HTML code, for example, here. Just put the HTML, just grab the HTML code, paste it, just save. And then if you switch to preview, you'll see that they will preview your quiz page. Okay, so here it's loading, for example, and here is loading. Now, obviously, I have to edit it because it's not that big, but just make it big enough, and then just put it here, in here, and just save, and then just click on preview, and then you should be able to see the HTML code. So here you see, you can see the HTML code. Obviously, I just made it really bad because obviously for demonstration purposes, just edit it the way you want. And as you can see, the quiz functions very, very well. Then here they will see the call to action one. I don't know why because I didn't add to this result the call to action. I added the call to action to the healthy one. Yes. What you could do is remove the other results and just have one result for all the questions they answer. Yes. So that's it. Then just click on save on here on GetResponse. Go to next step. Save the landing page. And then once you have your landing page, you should go back to Pinterest ads. Obviously, first create the Pinterest pin on Canva, for example. This is a free designer software that requires you to not know any designer skills. So if you don't want to hire someone to create a pin for you, just do it here on Canva. And then just go to Pinterest ads, go to create an ad, and just put the pin that you want to promote. Obviously, first click on traffic, not conversions, because first you will not have any conversions. Click on continue, and here on the audience targeting, just search, for example, for something on health, for example on health, daily routine, diet and nutrition, something that is related to the product you want to promote. At first, I wouldn't recommend you to go with keywords. Just then include the budget, you choose your pin, and then just click on launch. And that is as easy as that, and I guarantee you that you will be seeing results, because everyone is using this method on Facebook but not on Pinterest, where I saw in a statistic that 70% of people who saw ads on Pinterest bought from the ads. Yes, so here there's a golden nugget to take advantage of. So if you like the video, please hit the like button, and also comment in the section below if you have any questions. And guys, remember to watch other of my content. I will be seeing you till next video. Bye guys.